Hi, I'm Rob Sutherland. Welcome to my vlog. I'm still in Burger King's car park. We're about to go for a ride and it is going to get wet. Well, here we are in Colville. We've just come across the prairie. There is nothing there at all. We have avoided the rain, and in Colville, apparently all of the restaurants are shut on Sundays and Mondays. So we're going to have a sandwich. That's up. That's up. Thank you, Dick's Sporting Goods. Hi everyone, this is Rob from the future. I realised as I was editing this video that I didn't say enough about it for it to make much sense. It was essentially a long day's ride. We went up the Wyoming-Idaho border, but the weather took a turn for the worse. It turned into this. Now, you probably can't tell, but there is about between 6 and 12 inches of water depending on which bit of road that we were riding on at this point. I think we were in Etna in Wyoming, a long straight road, but it just suddenly got deep water. I've never ridden through anything like it in my life. It was ridiculous. And then my camera ran out of battery just as we got to the roadworks, because what you find is that the road just suddenly went down 2 feet. They'd taken the entire surface off it, and so we were riding through a bog. When we arrived at the resort at Alpine, which was our eventual destination, which wasn't that far from where all of the heavy rain happened, we discovered that the bikes were absolutely filthy. We went and got a shower and went and sat in the hot tub. It was quite an experience. I'll let past Rob talk. I hope that there is some footage of what we have just ridden through, because that was completely and totally and utterly balmy. I've never ridden through water about that deep. And then no surface on the road, so the bikes are absolutely filthy. Torrential rain and mud splattering everywhere. We've just taken our waterproofs off, we're absolutely filthy, and we're gonna go and find a hot tub. Okay? Today has been completely balmy, but ace. I mean, how changeable is the weather in this place? Earlier on, it was still raining whilst I was washing these 2 bikes, and now, look at it. Glorious sunshine, absolutely everywhere.